So guys, I'm back with big pimples today. I have been selected as Mr. Pimple. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the vote. So before going any further, let me show you some pictures of mine of before and after. Before, this is how I look once upon a time as a professional. As a professional, guys, today I'm gonna give you some tips of how to grow pimples. Step number one, drink less water. I know you want to drink water. You want to drink now and then. You feel the temptation. I know you feel the desire. But if you want to become Mr. Pimple, if you want to grow more pimples, you have to sacrifice, guys. You have to sacrifice. It's hard, I know. It's hard. But with strong will, with strong determination, and with a strong heart, with a big heart, if you stand for the truth, if you stand strongly, then you can achieve. You can grow more pimples. There is not shortcut to success. Hard work is the shortcut to success. Okay, step number 2. You should eat more chili and spice, more oily food, junk food, street food, more fermented food like nari, ekonia. Okay, now step number 3. Step number 3. What's that? You should touch your pimples more. Step number 3. Touch your pimples regularly. And don't wash your face regularly. Yes! The more you touch, the better your pimples. Okay, and step number 4. We should sleep less. As a human being, we want to sleep. We want to close our eyes. We are tired. We are exhausted. We want to relax. We want to just die. No, not die. We just want to fall on the bed and sleep away. But if you want to grow more pimples, I know it's hard, but you should not sleep. Because if you sleep more, then your pimples will go away. Yes, at least that you can do. Sleep less, then you will have I assure you, you will have bigger pimples tomorrow, for better chance, for the betterment of the world, or the tomorrow grow. Please try this at home, school, or anywhere. Bye.